Bringing AI everywhere starts with Intel.
The whole genesis of creating cloud-based tech platform was based on our experience of having delivered multiple cloud-based programs. We saw a need for a platform that can actually help customers seamlessly across various stages of the cloud adoption journey. And when we created this platform, few key tenets that were kept in mind were keeping it modular so that only introduce the fabric that is needed for that particular program, and then as a Lego block keep adding additional modules as and when needed. Second was to sort of make sure that it is well integrated and there are integration packs created so that they can sort of come together as a single module and also integrate with the existing ecosystem of customer. And thirdly, prefabricated so that the entire deployment of this platform becomes a few days affair rather than it being a month's affair. And while we sort of created this particular platform, some of the key capabilities that we developed were smart analysis capability so that we are able to identify the right kind of scenarios for each of the workload that are being assessed, and the right kind of blueprints that needs to be created for the respective migration. Introducing automated mechanism for migration and modernization, and more importantly, bringing in AI ML based operations alongside with FinOps capability added to it. At the same time, we have introduced the low-code, no-code capability into it through automation for going ahead and provisioning so that they don't have to depend on any administrator or they don't have to sort of build the skills themselves. So these are the kind of capabilities that really empowers users to be able to do things by themselves in fast tracking the development activity that they perform. At the same time, knowing what is the kind of consumptions they are actually doing on each of the cloud that they are working on. Again, as part of our operations, we do have a module what we call as tactics. And again, the genesis of this is to sort of bring in automated mechanism of identifying the issues and going ahead and performing self-heal capability. And this is actually based on the training that is provided to the tool in terms of understanding what were the corrective measures that were taken earlier and if they are the appropriate ones, and providing those insights to the administrators to either decide to go ahead and use them as their corrective measures or sort of translate that into automated scripts if they feel that's the solution for those kind of scenarios. I think AI and ML is sort of become the integral part of the overall platform, whether it is the initial stage of assessing the workload or whether it is going ahead and performing the migrations or during the course of operations, leveraging all the knowledge base articles and actually based on that, coming with the appropriate solutions for the scenarios. So one of the things that TechM collaborated with Intel was to sort of develop automated provisioning of optimized workload while improving performance. So that the way we started itself sort of addresses the requirement of customer to be able to sort of reduce their cost, either keeping the performance at the same level or maybe even getting a better performance, right? So that's an approach that we have taken, and I think Intel has given us sufficient sort of accelerators that can become part of our platform, and which has helped us deliver better services to our customers so far.
Bringing AI everywhere starts with Intel.